Discover more about Excel's third-party verification in the Excel Encyclopedia. Third-party verification is an independent tick in the box, verifying product compliance with a particular standard. At Excel, we're proud to have invested in test and verification programs for over 20 years, working with laboratories such as Force Technology, 3P and ETL. We have invested in both channel and component verification. This chapter of the Excel Encyclopedia identifies the differences between these certifications, so you can rest assured that your Excel systems are subject to the ultimate performance tests. At Excel, we're here for you, without compromise. In this chapter, you'll find guidance on what to look for on a third-party verification certificate so you can buy with confidence.